This 4th of July, while you're celebrating freedom, make sure your home stays cool and comfortable with an incredible offer from Whole House Fan Company. Imagine enjoying the festivities while knowing that inside your home, a Whole House fan is creating a refreshing and breezy atmosphere. With decades of experience, Whole House Fan Company is the trusted choice for keeping your home cool during the summer heat. No more suffering through stifling nights or relying on expensive air conditioning. With a Whole House fan, you can experience the bliss of a well-ventilated home that keeps you comfortable without breaking the bank. And here's the exciting news. During our 4th of July sale, we're offering an exclusive $300 discount on your Whole House fan installation. It's our way of celebrating with you and helping you create the perfect summer retreat. Join the countless homeowners who have already transformed their living spaces with Whole House Fan. Feel the cool breeze flowing through every room, revitalizing your home and bringing relief from the summer heat. Don't let the opportunity slip away. Contact us today to schedule your installation and take advantage of our 4th of July sale. Make this holiday truly memorable by ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable with Whole House Fan.